Welcome back everybody to my channel Chefish. Today we are making homemade pizza. Really easy, really simple, and absolutely delicious. The beauty of the dough that we are making today is that we can make different types of pizzas with it. Today I'm going to show you how I do the pan pizza, which is a little bit of an homage to my mother, which is how she would make pizzas growing up for us. Rather than the round traditional ones, we would have them square in a pan. So please like and subscribe. Let's get started with the ingredients. I have 425 grams of bread flour, I have 285 grams of water, 20 grams of oil, 7 grams of salt, 10 grams of sugar, I have 7 grams of active dry yeast, and that's about 40 grams of vegetable shortening. Alright, grab your water, yeast, and sugar, mix them together, put that mixture to the side, let it rest for 5 minutes. Add your flour and salt to your mixer, and then add the oil, and add your proofed yeast mixture. Mix everything until combined, and then give it a good knead. We want about 5 to 8 minutes, and we want a soft and supple dough to form. Then we're going to transfer that to the flour surface. This is going to yield about 750 grams of dough, so divide it into 2 equal pieces, 375 grams each, which will make you 2 pan pizzas. Now we're going to roll them up into balls. As you can see, I'm just doing the fold, tuck, and rotate. So pick up the sides, fold, tuck, rotate until you get a nice taut ball. Okay, and then you're going to bring together all those little edges and seal them up. And we're going to place both of these on a greased cookie sheet. I'm using a fancy dough container. You don't need it, but if you have it, why not? Cover it, let those rest for about an hour or until doubled in size. Now, while those rest, I'm going to show you a really simple and really easy pizza sauce. What I have in this food processor right now is a 28-ounce can of San Marzano Tomatoes, whole. And I'm going to add to it some spices. I have garlic powder, onion powder, basil, oregano, salt, pepper, paprika, and optionally you can also add some chicken consomme, which always adds a great flavor. We're going to add the spices, and we're going to also add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to pulse this a bit. We just want a crushed tomato consistency. And as you can see, there is your pizza sauce. That pizza sauce will stay in the fridge for up to a week. Now, grab your 2 9x13-inch baking pans. Grab your vegetable shortening. I am putting a lot. Some people will say too much. If it's too much for you, you can definitely put less. This is the trick I learned working in pizzerias. This is how you get a nice crispy and delicious crust. So just something to keep in mind. I know it looks like a lot, but trust me. Grab your dough, it should have doubled in size by now. We're going to put 1 bowl for each pan, and we're going to stretch it out. We want to make sure we're getting to the edges, and then we want to go along the brim of the pan, and we want to make sure we're getting up the rim of it. So we want to create almost like a crust around the rim of the pan. Then grab some olive oil. We're going to just coat the top of the dough with the olive oil, and we're going to cover it with some plastic wrap. Let it proof for half an hour, and then remove the plastic wrap. Top it with the sauce that we made just a few minutes ago, and then I'm going to grab my cheese. I have 4 different types of cheeses. You can use 1, you can use 3, use whatever you want. And then topping wise, again, you can top it with whatever vegetables you want. Just don't put pineapple, because pineapple is illegal on pizza, and whoever puts pineapple on pizza should be arrested. Then we are going to bake our pizzas at 450 degrees in the center rack of our oven for about 20 minutes, making sure to rotate the pizza pans about 10 minutes in so we get an even browning around the crust. And here it is, both our pizzas. I'm keeping them on a wire rack in our pan until they cool a bit, and then I'm going to transfer them from the pan directly onto the wire rack to cool completely. And then once they're cool, or just a bit warm, we're gonna cut them and serve them. This is the best way to enjoy this pizza. It's a great snack. It's great to just have on the counter. So please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.
Okay, bye.